Welcome to Tsuen Wan, a bustling district in Hong Kong often known for its shopping malls. But there's so much more to discover beyond the familiar storefronts. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and exciting activities that make Tsuen Wan truly unique. Prepare to be surprised as we explore its vibrant streets, iconic landmarks, and captivating experiences, all waiting to be unearthed. For a refreshing escape from the city buzz, head to Tsuen Wan Park. Lush greenery unfolds before you, inviting you to wander along winding walking trails. Picturesque views greet you at every turn, offering a serene sanctuary amidst the urban landscape. As we transition to Tai Wo Hau, we encounter a place steeped in cultural significance. The waterfront boasts stunning views and a rich history, reflecting the district's unique character. Here, you can immerse yourself in the local culture, explore traditional architecture, and enjoy the tranquility of the scenic surroundings. Tsuen Wan's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of flavors and experiences. From the vibrant energy of street food stalls, where local specialties tantalize your taste buds, to traditional restaurants preserving time-honored recipes, there's a feast for every palate. Modern eateries offer innovative twists on classic dishes, while cafes and tea houses provide cozy settings to savor a cup of local brew. Prepare to be tantalized by the aromas and flavors of Tsuen Wan's diverse culinary landscape, where every bite tells a story. Beyond the modern bustle, Tsuen Wan embraces a rich cultural heritage. Explore historical buildings that whisper tales of the past, wander through art galleries showcasing local talent, and discover the artistry of traditional crafts in workshops where skilled hands bring centuries-old techniques to life. Immerse yourself in unique experiences like traditional tea ceremonies, a meditative ritual that celebrates the art of tea brewing, or delve into the world of pottery, where you can create your own masterpieces. Tsuen Wan offers a vibrant cultural tapestry waiting to be explored. From serene parks to vibrant street food, cultural gems to modern art, Tsuen Wan offers a captivating blend of experiences. This district is a hidden treasure trove of diverse attractions waiting to be discovered. As we conclude our journey, we invite you to explore beyond the familiar and embrace the vibrant spirit of Tsuen Wan. Go beyond the malls, delve into its hidden gems, and create your own memorable moments in this captivating corner of Hong Kong.